Standard 10, Subject Science and Technology, Part 2. Lesson number 1, Heredity and Evolution, Part 4. Now we are going to learn speciation. See the definition of the speciation. The process of formation of new species of plants and animals is called speciation, and it is the effect of evolution. Each species grow in specific geographical condition. Their food, habitat, reproductive ability and period is different. And genetic variation is responsible for formation of new species from earlier one. And geographical and reproductive changes are also responsible for the formation of new species. And geographical or reproductive isolation also leads to speciation. In the human evolution, origin of the human evolution can be shown as per the picture given below. Last dinosaurs disappeared approximately 7 crore years ago. At that time, monkey-like animals are evolved from some ancestors who were more or less similar to the modern lemurs. Tail of these monkey-like animals of Africa is said to be disappeared about 4 crore years ago. They developed due to enlargement in the brain. Their hands were also improved and thus ape-like animals were evolved. Meanwhile, these ape-like animals reached the South and Northeast Asia and finally evolved into gibbon and orangutan. Remaining ape-like animals stayed in Africa, and from them gorilla and chimpanzee evolved about 2.5 crore years ago. They had to be use their hands more for eating food and other work. Those apes started to live on land as the forest started to decline due to the dry environment, and their lumbar bones developed in such a way that they started to stand in the erect posture in grasslands, and their hands become available for use anytime. These first human-like animal with erect posture which were using their hands have evolved about 2 crore years ago. First record of human-like animal is in the form of Ramapithecus ape from East Africa. Afterwards, this ape grown up in the size and become more intelligent, and thus ape of the South Africa evolved about 40 lakh years ago. The morphology of these human-like animals started to appear like to be the member of the genus Homo about 20 lakh years ago, and thus skilled human developed. And about 15 lakh years ago, human walking with the erect posture was evolved. Evolution of upright man continued in the direction of developing its brain for the period of about 1 lakh years ago. Brain of the 50,000-year-old man had been sufficiently evolved to extent that it could be considered as member of the class wise man, that is called Homo sapiens. Neanderthal man can be considered as the first example of wise man. The Cro-Magnon man evolved about 50,000 years ago, and about 10,000 years ago wise man started to practice the agriculture and started to rear the cattle herds and establish the city. Cultural development also takes place. Art of writing was invented about 5,000 years ago, and history had been started. Modern sciences emerged about 4,000 years ago, and industrial society was established about 200 years ago, and now we have reached at this stage and still we are searching the details of roots of the human ancestry. Thank you.